Recover the center rear seat backrest of the C-Class by removing the right fitting and the headrest. Then undo the screws that secure the trim pieces left and right. Unclip the trim pieces. You can easily remove the trim under the cushion. Underneath there are two screws. Remove them and take the middle padding out. Unclip the trim on the head side using a long wedge. Take it off until you can reach the two retaining tabs with a screwdriver. Now, using the removal tool, you can undo the edge profile of the cover from the frame. Also, unhook the fasteners of the cover. Now you need to remove the headrest guides before you can take off the cover. So you can see better, here are the access points to the catches. Unclip the lower cover with the removal tool. First, pull it over on the side where no bolt is installed. We continue with the covering. Pull the cover over the foam cushion. Begin on the side with the bolt. Position the cover so that the seams are around the edge of the foam pad. Reattach the fasteners. And clip the cover profile into the frame with a putty knife. At the other end, pull the cover over the plastic carrier. Here too, clip in the cover again. Make sure that the seam runs along the edge of the plastic carrier. And hook in the fasteners again. The plastic cover has a metal pin. This must lead into the opening provided. Only then can the seat element engage in the mounting of the rear bench. Install the armrest again. By the way, this doesn't get recovered, but when necessary, completely replaced. Tighten the screws with 8 Nm of torque. Replace the trim under the cushion. Clip in the trim at the sides too. And screw them in. Then press the headrest guides into the slots provided. Finally, bring the fitting back into place and replace the seat element in the vehicle.